In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on American Airlines stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a massive upside rally get trigger. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was in top where the stock had given a price-wise corrections in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back lower lows. First lower lows registered here, the second one and the third one here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upside, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got a two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper side. The moment this downward sloping parallel channel got broken on the upper side, the stiff fall, the price wise fall got an immediate rejection. And the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that point as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and now it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, if you'll place an indicators, MACD indicators, you will be surprised to know that there is a positive diversion over here. If you'll see the price action, if you'll identify the price action over here, the price action, the last lower swing is on the downside, but the MACD histogram on the upper side and the signal line is also on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout where the stock is finally ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, the most important chart pattern, that is the most important signal is a chart pattern. And if you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a triangular chart pattern got triggered. Here we got a triangular chart pattern trigger, and very soon you will witness the price will be reaching towards a target of $16.50. So this will be the first target, and there will be a second target which almost near to a gap, 17.50. This will be a two major target on the upper side. And my dear friends, this is an area where it will act as a strong support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper side. This was an area where we have witnessed lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have identified the positive diversion between the MACD histogram and the price action, and this is an area where we have identified the positive chart structure. We have seen that there is a positive chart structure breakout. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area of neckline will now act as a strong support. So far it was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support. Resistance became support after the breakout of neckline. So my dear friends, this area is in strong support, so your stop loss should be below a strong support. So your stop loss should be below this level, 11 point something, which will mark in red color. So my dear friends, this is it for today's analysis. If you really like my analysis, and stock will came to fill the gap, so you can take this point as in there will be a three major targets. So this is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my technical analysis, hit the like button to my videos and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks. Bye bye.